The oldest bike that Tegan has ridden is her 2018 Yamaha MT07, and I wanted to know how she'd go on a bike that's older than she is.
So you're going to get a completely unfiltered view of every clunky gear change, every stall, as I try ride Ross's for the very first time, 1984 BMW R65.
Oh my god. Why am I so nervous? Red dial down? How? I don't know if I'm in neutral. There's no light. No, there's no light. It just keeps going down, so I can't even tell if it's...
Flick it up one. Not down.
Well, you said turn it down! Oh, this is such a bad start. Alright. Ease on out. No, I'm in neutral. Yeah? Okay. Attempt number 2. Alright. We're off. We did it. We started the bike. Oh yeah. Success. And now I wait. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I almost stalled it again. Okay. We'll just wait patiently over here. And then I'll have to start it again. Okay. Let's just make sure I can actually see. Oh, don't stall out, bike. Don't you do it. How does Ross even see out these mirrors? They're so shaky. Oh, I think that's just a boxer thing. Oh, okay. Don't. Oh. You can hear it like do 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 do. Oh boy. Why is this so nerve-wracking? I hope he goes in front of me because I don't know where I'm going. Actually, that would be so good if he stalled. That would make me feel a lot better. Alright. Yes! We did it, baby! No stalling. Now I gotta shift gears. Oh no, I don't. It's fine. I'll just stay in first. All the way down. Where's the... Oh, there we go. Okay, alright. Don't do it, Tegan. Don't do it. Ayy, she's a bloody natural. I don't know how to turn my blinkers off though. Alright, I'm gonna try a gear shift. Pretty good. Either that or I'm in neutral. I might have been in neutral. Alright, that's fine. But we didn't stall. Okay. I'm trying to gather my thoughts enough to even give you first thoughts. Oh my god, that's a bit rough. I don't know if This is a terrible idea trying to do this while learning a new bike. Like, how am I meant to have my thoughts together enough to talk coherently? God. Okay, alright. We're at another light. It's fine. It's fine. Here he comes. He's gonna give me more advice. Yes.
You hate it?
No, I don't hate it. But it's scary.
Oh, it's a weird bike to ride for the first 10 minutes.
Yeah. No stalling, no stalling. Alright, there we go. Shifted, not into neutral. Oh god, I hate not seeing my gears. I don't know what the hell I'm in. I know I should be a proper motorcyclist who knows what gears they're in, but alright. So, Ross wants me to have a few goes at my intro, but I think you guys should just get the real raw screaming experience that is me on this bike for the first time, including stalling out at the start. So, first thoughts, it's pretty fun. I do like this boxer engine. I do like the shake when it starts up. You can't feel it as much once you're moving. It's more just like, I don't know, a lot of vibration. surprised the power. I don't know, I think with older bikes I don't expect them to have so much power, but just then overtaking Ross was fine. I didn't have any issues. That's a dumb thing anyway, right? It's power, it doesn't matter how old they are. Take that how you will. Yeah, seating position's not bad. Like, I don't know if you could be super tall on this bike. I feel like I'm a little scrunched up. I like the handlebars, I like the width of them. Don't know about this, I don't know if I can call it a TFT, this screen. I don't know why it's jumping, why are the numbers jumping around so much? It's going from 76 to 176. Did you see that? Yeah, 118. Oh, there's a garbage truck. Oh boy. I'm going around. Going for it, Woohoo. Okay, I need to ask Ross about why the hell the speed is jumping around. You know, who needs to see their speed anyway? It's all overrated. Look, it's pretty fun. I'm enjoying it now that I'm moving. I'm nervous about stopping. It's pretty nice, I gotta say. I don't know about the seating position. My knee, like, it's kind of hurting my thighs a bit as well. But maybe that's something you'll get used to, I don't know. Or just put a big old seat on there. All right, here's another stop. Oh boy, go, go. Oh. Shift gears. Nice and smooth. Ugh. Actually, that, the foot lever thing, it's a little hard. I'm surprised at. Also, I feel like my GoPro is moving. I'm sure that's absolutely fine. But yeah, first impressions, look, it's fun. There wasn't meant to be so much stammering there. It's good fun. I think even the nerves at taking off, you would 100%, like, I kind of enjoy it as well, because it's a little bit like, you got to be a little bit more finessed with your clutch release, and I kind of like that. I like the vibrations, I like the rumble, I like feeling the bike, which I know a lot of people talk about, and I always say I like the smooth bikes with just the smooth power, but I totally get it as well with these older bikes, or just any bikes that have like a boxer engine. I get it. It's pretty good. I wonder if Ross is listening to me riding and just being like, oh god, she's in the wrong gear. Oh, my blinker. I don't know how to turn that off. Is that still on? Whoops. Lucky I can bloody see him with these mirrors shaking all over the place. I don't know if I would call this a comfortable bike. Between your, like, your leg positioning, the tank that's like digging into your thighs, I don't know. Don't know, Russ. I don't know how you do long rides on this, honestly. Oh god. Hope his speedo is correct, because I think it's 70 here. There's a speed camera, but I could be doing 94 apparently as well. I don't even know if my blink is off. There's nothing telling me that it's on or off. Is it meant to light up? idea what gear I'm in. Oh, I need to keep track of this. I know it's really easy to do that, but I'm not used to having to, so I feel like I'm just a bit lazy with it. Okay, I found a cheat with my blinkers. I can just visually see them down below me. That's how I'm gonna tell from now on. A terrible way, but I don't think there's, I don't know, either the light's not working or I just can't see it in this light. Oh, here comes a bike flying past. Ooh, nice. Oh, there's Adrian, okay. Okay, well there's only 5, so I think I'm in 5th now because I can't go any faster. I hope these old bikes are alright with me shifting up quickly. I don't know what these old bikes can handle. Or 100 and something. What the hell is this yellow button I keep on? Oh, it's headlights. Why isn't my mirror moving? Why are there so many things happening with this bike? Come on, bike. Oh, I know you're old, but you gotta hold together. Actually, these are new bar mounts anyway. Am I in 5th? Yep. I certainly am. Alright. Come on, bike. You got this. Point taken, Russ. Point taken. Shocking that I can see anything with these mirrors, but I do see your blinkers. Is still on. Alright, so I thought I'd come back just so we can talk some twisties while we're on a bit of a quiet road and see how nimble this is, because being out on the highway just now, I mean it's excellent on the highways, I just didn't get the feeling that it was quite as nimble as I expected it to be. So I'm curious just along here, just taking some corners and seeing how it goes. Because I'm not sure. I don't feel like it's, you know, some of these old bikes not quite as nimble as they once were, or maybe never were. So I think I've got the hang of the blinkers now, so that's good. We're gonna try these corners, see how nimble she is. Can confirm though, not a comfy bike. An enjoyable bike to ride, and not comfortable to ride. I would not want to be on this for long distances. Just even the throttle is, I don't know, a bit rough. Alright, last time I was on this road there was a echidna crossing and I really don't want to hit an echidna with a bike, so I'm keeping my eye out as well. But yeah, look, I reckon that probably sums it up for me, of like, it's a really fun bike to ride. but I couldn't do it for long periods of time. It's not as nimble as I thought it would be. But maybe that's just something that you'd have to get used to, because I guess it just doesn't move in the same way that I'm used to. But that could be a whole range of different reasons why. And I haven't ridden many boxes, and I know that they do move quite differently, especially when you're taking corners. But my hand is really sore, and my thighs are very sore from the tank digging in. But hey, it's got style. Absolutely. You know what? Even as I'm taking more corners, I'm getting it more and more. I think, yeah, you just have to ride it for a bit, right? Like most bikes, you just got to learn. Yeah, would I buy one? No. Would I ride Rosses? Yes. In traffic? No. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to summarize here. I think it's a great bike. I think I wouldn't own one, but I would happily ride Ross's, but I would not ride it in the city. I don't know how he does it. It's fun on the twisties. It's actually really good on freeways. Yeah, it's just, I think that the twisties would take a bit of getting used to, but I think I could have a lot of fun doing that. And yeah, look, I get it. I get the boxer engine. It's a lot of... Oh God, where's Ross stopping now? Come on, Ross. Yeah, look, not for me. 100% get it though. Oh, I'm on gravel. Don't let me drop this bike. Okay, okay. Oh no, we're turning. Oh, why are you making me turn on gravel? I guess so. I don't want to do it on gravel. I'm just going to be real slow. Okay. Throw a curveball, fair enough, Ross. Bit mean, I would say, but I overcame. That's all that matters. But yes, I was summarising. Great bike, love it, don't want it. Happy to ride it occasionally. There you go. Oh, now he's stopped again. All right. Making me turn around on gravel on this bike.